Hawksoft CRM Review Watch Before Using. Most insurance agencies struggle not because of poor sales, but because of poor organization. And that's where Hawksoft changes the game. Hawksoft is a CRM platform designed specifically for insurance agencies. It manages clients, policies, claims, renewals, tasks, and communications in one centralized system. Here's what most people get wrong. They think any CRM works for insurance, but insurance workflows require specialized tools, and Hawksoft is built for that environment. Hawksoft allows agents to track policy expirations, manage renewals, automate follow-ups, and document client communications. This helps reduce missed deadlines and lost renewals. The platform also supports agency-wide workflows, so teams can collaborate efficiently and maintain consistent service. However, the surprising truth is that Hawksoft is not for small solo agents just starting out. It shines when used by growing agencies with multiple staff members and a large client base. Hawksoft helps agencies improve retention, reduce errors, and deliver faster service to clients. The surprising truth is that better organization leads directly to higher profits in insurance agencies. Hawksoft helps create that structure. If you run or manage an insurance agency, Hawksoft is worth serious consideration. Subscribe to the channel for more CRM reviews and business growth tools.